Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we have a special collaboration and it's with the Home Decor Luxe Club. We are in Vlogmas and this is being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now we do have co-hosts including myself, and I'm going to link us all down below in the description box along with our channel links and the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over guys to that playlist because you don't want to miss Vlogmas. Now I am here in Aldi and their home section. It's a huge aisle here filled with so many beautiful items. Wait till I show you at least the one section here. I think you're going to enjoy the video, guys. Look at these blocks. I can't believe it. I think I'm going to go back and get some because I did leave that day without that. They are gorgeous. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'm going to see you at the end. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. They have some awesome stuff here, guys. So don't sleep on ALDIs. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.